Hi guys, in previous video I had taught you how to do the setting of lips. You can check that video on my channel page. And in this video I'm going to teach you how to do the setting of face. So let's start with our tutorial. I'm starting with a base layer in whole face with a HB pencil. And blending it with the cotton. I'm leaving the space for the highlights. As you can see, I'm not doing any kind of setting in the highlighted area. And in the same way, I'm adding the second layer. Now it's time for third layer. I'm using 2E pencil for more darker shades. And with the eraser, I'm dabbing around the highlight area for the removal of excess graphite and making it smooth with the cotton. And now it's time for chin and the jawline area. I'm using 4B pencil for the base layer and blending it with the paper stump. For little bit more darkness, I'm using 5B and 6B pencil. Blending it with the paper stump. I'm repeating this process again and again until I get the same result as the reference do. And last, I'm using 2E pencil for the smooth transition between the lighter shade and the darker shade and blending it with the cotton. Here's our face is complete, and in next video I'm going to teach you how to do the shading of ears.